At Quality AirCare, we're able to provide a full spectrum on the mechanical system. In the next gen home here, we've installed a multi-source clean energy system. We looked at how we can take this home to the next level as far as a mechanical system. The multi-source clean energy system entails a combination of systems including natural gas and electricity. So we're taking renewable natural gas, using it for creating hot water. At the same time, we're using electricity to use in the heat pump system. We're able to take the entire mechanical system as a whole, including the plumbing, and tie that system all together. And we can maximize the efficiency and the comfort in the home. We're super proud to be able to design and install this state-of-the-art system that we've provided here. The biggest part for me as a mechanical designer and installer would be the fact that we're able to take this to the next level and educate consumers as well as new homeowners and builders on what the process should really be like. And with education comes advanced technologies. When it comes to mechanical system design, I believe it's super important to involve the mechanical contractor early on. I think it's even more important now that we collaborate in the industry and we communicate a lot better in the entire process. Together we make things stronger and it works great. Each trade has their own expertise and we take that information, we combine it, and we make it happen.